down Spanish Town Road this morning, walking with my head down low, walking past the same old faces, but what I found I didn't know. Something changed when I wasn't looking, something shifted in the breeze, something moved inside my spirit. Now I'm walking with such ease. Why do blessings come so quietly? Why do they sneak up on I and I? Why do blessings come so quietly? Jah works in mysterious ways. Why do blessings come so quietly? Through the struggle and the praise. Why do blessings come so quietly? Yeah, never saw it coming, never saw it coming. Reasoning with my brethren yesterday, reasoning about the pain, reasoning how we keep surviving when the system brings a strain. Something touched me in that moment, something pure and something real, something that I can't explain now, but I know just how it feels. Why do blessings come so quietly? Why do they sneak up on I and I? Why do blessings come so quietly? Jah works in mysterious ways. Why do blessings come so quietly? Through the struggle and the praise. Why do blessings come so quietly? Hey, I never saw it coming, I never saw it coming, never saw it coming. In the darkest hour, never saw it. Chasing down his power, never saw him. Righteousness a flower, never saw him. This is my hour, standing near with gratitude flowing, standing in the morning sun, standing with my arms wide open for the blessing yet to come. Something tells me keep on walking, something tells me have no fear, something tells me job protection, always, always drawing near. Why do blessings come so quietly? Jah works in mysterious ways. Why do blessings come so quietly? Through the struggle and the praise. Why do blessings come so quietly? Wait, I never saw it coming, never saw it coming. Walking down Spanish Town Road this evening, walking with my head held high. Never saw it travel, but we strong and a song in that life. God, we survive, we survive. Get a youth them, rise up now. Get a youth them, show them power. We not bow to no one. We are done. Police come to the gate, but we wait in the meditation. One nation under jam. We not run, we stand strong. Rhetoric call, sister sing. Unity thing, bring us joy. Inflight thing, positive vibes. Trying on survives. In that young life, in that life. We survive, we survive. Keep that fire, keep the fire burning under more. May all night, yeah, all night. Babylon system try put I to the test, but Jah guide me footsteps through the concrete street, where me brethren them struggle just to make ends meet. Seen too much worration in this your place, but me keep on moving with most high grace. Rising up from the bottom. Unity and strength, that's how we solve them problem. Rising up with one voice. Your children often make the righteous choice. Rising up. Rising up. The youth them in the yard, them need direction. Police harassment, no love, no protection. But me tell them say the struggle make we stronger. Can't hold on to people any longer. From the ghetto to the hills we stand as one. Fight the good fight till the battle won. Rising up from the bottom. Unity and strength, that's how we solve them problem. Rising up with one voice. Your children have to make the righteous choice. Rising up. Rising up. Rising up now. Every day we face the trial. Rising up now. But we keep that Rasta smile. Rising up now. Through the pain and through the strife. Rising up now. Give thanks and praise for life. So me chant down Babylon with meditation. Spread the message through each generation. From Kingston yard to every corner worldwide. Righteousness and love will be our guide. Me see the dawn breaking through the darkest hour. Jah bless the meek with supernatural power. We rising up from the bottom. Unity and strength, that's how we solve them problem. Rising up with one voice. Jah children have to make the righteous choice. Rising up. Rising up. We're rising. Jah love will see us through. We're rising. Me brethren, this one's for you. Rising up. Me hear the rhythm call me name. One drop beating in my brain. From Kingston yard to foreign land, Jam music help me understand. One drop, one love, one love, one heart. One drop, one love, one love, one heart. Me feel the bassline in me chest. This year rhythm is the best. When troubles come and life get rough, one drop music is enough. One drop, one love, one love, one heart. Feel you one drop, feel you one drop, feel you one drop in your soul. From morning light to evening time, this your rhythm so sublime. Unity we find in sound. Jah blessing all around.